Alright guys, just wanted to show you the inside of this van. It's a slide out model with rear bunks running east-west. So I just wanted to walk you through it before it gets handed over. Slide out space for the club lounge. So how it operates is there's a button at the top here. All you have to do is press that and it comes out. And then eventually it stops, and it also opens up this living and the kitchen space. So it just gives you that added space if you're living in the van for long periods of time. Everyone's comfortable. So if you sit on this lounge, as you can see, there's plenty of space. No one's really squashed in. The table also moves back and forth. You can push it down to create another bed. Got your standard lights, power points, extra cupboard space at the top, and it's really finished off really well. Can hold up to 100 plus kilos